TEAMGROUP MP44 4TB SSD Review. The blink-and-it's-loaded storage beast you didn't see coming. Ever felt like your projects, games, or deadlines are trapped in slow motion because your so-called fast drive taps out when things get serious? You're stuck staring at loading bars, wrestling with dropped frames, or watching file transfers crawl like a dial-up throwback. The constant lag kills your focus, wrecks your workflow, and leaves you questioning your life choices and your tech budget. You tell yourself you'll upgrade someday, but in the meantime, you're losing hours, patience, and maybe a little bit of your sanity to storage that just can't keep up. Now crank that frustration up to 11. Crushing deadlines breathing down your neck, 8K projects that choke your system, massive game patches eating up your weekend, and multitasking that turns your PC into a wheezing space heater. You've got unmanageable stress from constant bottlenecks, missed opportunities because your rig can't deliver, and creeping burnout from endless waits. The worst part? You know your machine could fly, if only your storage wasn't the anchor holding it back. Enter the TEAMGROUP MP44 4TB PCIe 4.0 NVMe SSD, your storage speed escape plan. With read-by-write speeds up to 7,400 by 6,900 megabytes per second and SLC caching for sustained bursts, it doesn't just load, it teleports your files. Designed for both laptops and desktops, the slim M.2 2280 form fits anywhere, while the heat-dissipating graphene label keeps temps cool under heavy use. PCIe Gen 4 by 4 means no more bottlenecks, and the 4 terabyte capacity swallows massive game libraries, raw video files, and data-heavy workloads without blinking. Pair that with TEAMGROUP's patented SSD monitoring software, a 5-year warranty, and you've got pro-grade performance with zero guesswork. Users are raving. A gamer bragged, "Loads my entire PS5 library instantly. No more delete and re-download nonsense." A video editor swears, "Renders 8K footage without hiccups. Cut my load times in half." Tech reviewers call it a flagship killer and the best 4 terabytes value. The MP44's SLC cache prevents slowdowns during huge transfers, while the graphene label and onboard thermal management keep you in the performance sweet spot. From massive datasets to AAA games, this SSD gives you the kind of laser-focused productivity and seamless play that makes you forget about your hardware entirely, because it just works, and it works fast. Stock's moving faster than this drive's read speed, so don't wait. Secure your TEAMGROUP MP44 4TB SSD today, before you're back to babysitting a loading bar. Join thousands of creators, gamers, and pros who've already made the jump and never looked back. Whether you want faster load times, smoother editing, or room for everything you love, this is your moment. Act now, lock in your performance boost, and make slow storage a thing of the past.